What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Most Drippy, and we're back at it again with another banger for you guys today. And I'm gonna show you guys something pretty helpful. I live in Miami, Florida. It's super hot out here, and with the hot weather comes low coolant. I gotta get that filled up, and the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to refill your AC. Get your AC Freon, get your AC running back to freezing temperatures as it should be. So how we're gonna start off this video is I'm gonna basically walk you guys step by step on how to refill the Freon in your Audi A4 B8 or B8.5, and I'm sure these instructions will count and get you through with any older Audi models. I'm sure it's pretty much the same concept. So first thing you're gonna want to do is of course go buy yourself a Freon refill. I grabbed this one in particular, AC Pro. You know, it comes with this gauge, it comes with all the good stuff, as you can see: cold air, leak sealer, protect system, and it's an R134A. So that's the deal. So once you have your Freon, the next step of the process is you're going to want to go on ahead and pop your hood with that lever down there. Once that's opened up and you get your hood open, the next step of the way is basically you want to locate your low pressure hose or something like that. Basically a hose that's low pressure, and there's also a high pressure, but the one we're looking for is the low pressure. And for my particular model Audi, it is located right here. As you're gonna see, there will be two outlets. There's one that's bigger than the other one. The smaller one is the low pressure hose. The bigger one is the high pressure. So we're going to be using the low pressure one. So you're gonna go ahead and unscrew that. Put your cap somewhere secure so you don't lose it. And yeah, from this point you'll just be following the instructions. Find low pressure port, which is what we did. Measure the AC system. So now I'm kind of just using one hand to record this, but you can measure your AC system by basically plugging in your cap. Once it's in there, well, so it seems like mine's is low pressure, because based on what it's telling me is that I don't have any. So I'll get the video started back once I get this plugged in. One more thing I forgot to add to the video, guys. If you grab this particular Freon charger, before you get started, you want to unscrew the gauge connected to it and release this red cap. As you can see, it says unscrew and discard before use. So I don't know the particular reason as to why you have to do that, but that's what the instructions say. So yeah, once you get that out the way, you can go ahead and start refilling your Freon as you should. All right, guys, now that I have my hose connected, it was kind of tricky getting it in there in the first place, but basically you want to pull that tab back and just press it in. It's that simple. Now we have our AC Pro connected. So just a heads up for you guys who may not have ever done this before. If you initially plug this in and it's showing you that you're on the red part of the meter, do not panic. It's not giving any bad signs. What you have to do is turn the car on so that it can get a correct reading of the pressure on your AC system. So basically, turn your car on, and I would blast your AC, pretty much make sure the AC is activated, and set it to the highest. Well, I'd say set it to about 8. You know, not too strong, not too, you know, whatever. All right, sorry, I got disconnected because my Bluetooth was actually connected to the car. But now that the car is running, as you can see, my pressure was on the red. Now it's on the green, and it's showing that it's filled, but in reality, it's actually not filled. My AC hasn't been blowing really cold air as it usually should. So that's just a sign that we should start filling this thing up now. So now it's time to charge the system. Basically, based on the instructions, it's telling you hold the can upright. So basically, shake everything up real good. So we're gonna shake it up. It says hold the can upright and start filling. As you can see, it has a trigger. You just want to go ahead and pull that, and your AC should start filling up at that point. You want to release it every now and then just to see what's your status. And yeah, keep going until you reach about the 50 mark, or you could probably go a little higher than that. And yeah, from that point, you should have fully cold blowing AC. Thank you.